For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. For the cactus, we'll start in the middle and just bend it down to look like that. And then we'll do one side. We'll start this side a little higher, bring it up and then down. Pinch it in, bring it around, and then down. And then for this side, we'll start it a little lower, bring it up, and then down. Pinch it in a bit, in here as well. Bring this across, and then down. This is what we have so far. You can pinch these in a little more as you need. Take your tweezer nose pliers, bend that across, and this one, bend it around the other way. And then you can just take your round form, bend that around, and bend that one around, and then take your round pliers and just curve it out. This side too, curve it out a little bit. For this, you can hold the cactus with the flat pliers, just wiggle these in so they're lined up. Sometimes you might have to wiggle them back and forth a little bit, and then make sure these are lined up and not sticking out. And there you have your super cute cactus ring.